Hey YouTuber, this is day 3 of trying to make $100,000. And today what we've actually done is basically added texture and also created this really cool bottle flip. And we've also added physics and this text. So it actually looks really cool now. Let me just show you. If we just go to this side, well, it doesn't really look that great. So what I've done is basically I'm trying to play around with the textures, and it didn't really help. I also tried to like stretch on the vertical and the horizontal. That really didn't help. I'm using Babylon.js if any of you guys are actually asking. And today's hot take is, what is Prime has the best aftertaste? That is actually true. Logan Paul, if you see this, you better buy this game. I'm selling it for $10,000, and if only 10 people are $10,000, and if 10 people will 10,000, trust me, 10 people will definitely buy this game, or else I'll come after you and then greet you and tickle you. Listen, we only need 10 people buying this game, and I will have completed this challenge of trying to make $100,000. This is day 3. I tried to add these textures. It doesn't really look great. Doesn't really represent the brilliancy, the freaking genius of Prime. Oh, we can't curse. And shout out to InCap. I've downloaded this model, so let's see what it can do in day 4.